Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So Taurus, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Six of Swords. Eight of Swords. Okay. Taurus, with this card Six of Swords, it seems like you have given up on something. Okay, I have two things to say. Okay, with regards to this card, either you are somebody who has given up on something in life. Okay, now you feel that nothing is left for you now, and I should just move out from this place, or from this energy, or from this relationship, or from this person. Okay, so either you are being completely broken right now, you have completely surrendered, you have completely given up on something. Okay, or it could also happen for some of you that you are trying to move out from a place to a different place. Okay, so you want to move from A point to B point. Okay, this could be, you must be traveling for your relationship, you must be traveling for your job, for a new career, for a new life. Okay, so these two things are coming into my mind. All right, and this is your partner's current energy. Eight of Swords. Your partner is being somebody who don't want to do anything. Okay, they want somebody else to rescue them. Okay, they can easily escape from this situation, but they are being completely dependent on you. Perhaps they want you to come and rescue them. Okay, and that's not the good thing at all, because I'm seeing that they can free themselves easily, they can take action towards their life easily, but they are being somebody who do not want to do anything on their own. They want you to rescue them, they want you to take them out from this negative energy. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. The Rebel. Taurus, I feel that it's you are being rebellious at this point of time. Okay, because your person is being somebody who is depending on you, so I can't see that they are somebody who is a rebel person. But yes, it's you who is being rebellious at this point of time. Okay, perhaps you are traveling just to escape, just to rescue them. It could happen that you are just traveling this far just to rescue your person. Okay, so you are being rebellious. Perhaps you are somebody who hasn't got any support from your family or your loved ones or your friends, but you feel that no, my person is in dire need of my help. Okay, and I should go. If nobody is moving or if nobody is helping them, I should be with them. Okay, so you are somebody who has broken all the chains of your family, your friend, or all the restrictions. You have already broken all the chains of restrictions. Okay, and you are somebody who is a leader. Okay, you have that leadership quality within you, because this eagle is telling me that you are not somebody who uh, who uh, who wait for other person's approval, who wait for other person's opinion. Okay, when you know that I have to do something, then you make sure that you do that certain action. Okay, and this snake skin is telling me that the moment you see that, okay, now I need to change, you are easily, and you are somebody who quickly change yourself. Okay, your XYZ situation demands a rebel, Taurus, so you become a rebellious person. Your XYZ demands a soft Taurus, so you immediately turns into a soft Taurus. Okay, so this is the card for you. Now I'm going to pick 3 cards for you to see what your person is thinking about you, what current action they are taking towards you, and what action they are taking in future for you. Okay, so Taurus, your person with this card creativity feels about you that Taurus is somebody who can create anything. Okay, they see you as somebody who is a magician. Okay, they see you as somebody who has the divine blessings. Okay, so whatever the case it is, or they feel that you are somebody who can make anything happen. There is no in your dictionary, there is a no in your dictionary. Okay, you cannot, or you do not say no to anyone. Okay, if somebody comes to you and somebody approaches to you to do something, you make sure that okay, if this person is asking me some help, then I have to help this person at any cost. Okay, so this is the thing which your person adores in you. All right, the current action from their side towards you is nothing, because they are tied up with their own situations. They can't even move. How can they help? How can they take any action towards you? So they are waiting for something to happen. They are waiting for thunderbolt kind of experience in their life. Okay, perhaps they are waiting for some big changes in their life. Okay, now the third card is future card. What actions they can take in future for you. So with this inner voice card, it seems like the moment you will rescue them, they are definitely going to say something to you. Okay, perhaps at this point of time, in this moment when they are alone, when nobody is helping them, they have called you to rescue them. Okay, so perhaps the moment you will reach towards them, or the moment you will come at this point, till that time they'll be sure that I need this person, I need this Taurus in my life. Okay, so they are they'll be thinking about you more and more and more and more, and eventually they'll definitely going to offer you something. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. Not the right time. Okay, for some of you Taurus, angels are asking you to stop at this point of time. Perhaps this person is creating their own stories. Okay, they are somebody who can free. I told you that in the beginning that your person can easily escape from this situation, but they are not taking any action. They are not doing any action. Okay, they are being dependent on you. Okay, they want you to rescue them. So from that perspective, from that with that regard of my interpretation, angels are asking you that this is not the right time for you to take action. Okay, it could happen that you can go to you can go towards them, but you should not help them. Okay, you just need to look their action, look their behavior, look their observe their actions, what actions they take towards their own self. Okay, only then you should take some action to, or you should do something for them. All right, okay. So Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius air sign with the 6 of Swords and 8 of Swords. Okay, and all other cards are, we have Pisces also in this reading with this inner voice. Okay, we have fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this thunderbolt. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign as well with this card called the Rebel. Okay, so Taurus, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.